Rubber molded construction. Waterproof rubber surface suitable for all condition play. Grip-Rite cover. Pro lacing. Official junior size. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement for an old one. I got a mini football similar to this one when I was a kid, about 30 years ago. I can't say I was that football kid that carried it around everywhere I went, but it got its fair share of use. It's held up well over the years. Well enough, in fact, that my daughter started bringing it to school and using it for a while. Unfortunately, the rubber seams started breaking off, so it was finally time for a replacement. I found this particular product to be the closest thing to what we had before, aside from the color. It is only slightly larger, but not so big that my 10-year-old child couldn't use it easily. The seams are rubber and fused to the ball itself, so I suspect it will hold up just as well as my old one. Maybe someday my daughter will be replacing this one when her kids finally wear it out.